Welcome to this GoBright user video. In this video we will discuss how to book a parking space in the GoBright portal. From our main dashboard there are different ways in which we can book a parking space. If you've got access to the map, we could be using the floor plans, or we could be using the search element on the left hand margin. Let's have a look at using the map to start with. If I go up to my locations, I could be picking the parking floor plan, and let's pick a different time, so we'll go for the Friday and we'll look for the morning, and we'll have that booking for 4 hours, say. That gives me the available spaces, and I can just click on one of those and I can book for that time. And that's booked, and that's gone into my dashboard and into the screen that shows my parking space. So I've got that booked, and at the top it tells me that's for tomorrow as well. The other way I can look at parking is if I use the search, and I can search for parking. Again, we might want to change the date and the times, etc. And in this case I'll just select parking space and we can book. And again, that's added into the actual parking space for my parking. So I've got a record that on the 11th of March I've got a parking space already booked. If I go into bookings and my bookings, I could look for parking spaces that way, and I can book a parking space. That will take me back to my main dashboard, and the same search criteria exists. But let's say on this occasion I actually want to search by an amenity, so we're just going to change the time for this, and I'm going to search for amenity because I'm looking now for a supported parking space. And that gives me 3 options, and those are shown on the actual map as well. So I could just be selecting one of those and I could book that space. So that's how, using the GoBright portal, we can book a parking space by using either our floor plan, by using the side search menu, or you could go through bookings and actually add a parking booking that way as well. Thank you for watching this GoBright user support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.